So this problem says a rectangle has a width of 3 centimeters and a length of 10 centimeters. What is the effect on the perimeter when the dimensions are multiplied by 10? All right, so the first thing I would like to do is I would like to find the perimeter of the original figure. So remember, perimeter, you add up all the sides. So if you have 3 on this side and 10 on this side, we know the opposite side is also 3 in a rectangle. Same thing here, the opposite side is 10. So we could add 3 plus 3 plus 10 plus 10. So we know the original perimeter is 26 centimeters. Now we want to know what happens if we multiply the dimensions by 10. So instead of 3, we're going to do 3 times 10, and that would be 30. And instead of 10, we're going to do 10 times 10, and that would be 100. And then again, opposite sides of the rectangle are the same. So the perimeter of the new dilated rectangle would be 30 plus 30 plus 100 plus 100. And now we have to look at our two perimeters, and we have to ask ourselves, okay, what is the relationship between our original perimeter and our new perimeter? And I hope that you guys realize that to get from 26 to 260, you multiply by 10, which is exactly what it said the scale factor was. We were multiplying it by 10. So what is the effect of the perimeter when the dimensions are multiplied by 10? The perimeter is also multiplied by 10, or 10 times bigger. All right, so we said the perimeter is also multiplied by 10, or it's 10 times bigger. So think about this. If you were using a scale factor of 3, if you were making each side 3 times bigger, then what would the new perimeter be? Well, it would be 3 times bigger. If you were using a scale factor of a half and you were making the figure smaller, the perimeter would also be a half of the original perimeter. Hope that helps.